So this starter question is actually quite tricky. It relies on you knowing three of these log rules. So log rule 1 is if you have a log, let's say x to the power of 5, that is the same as 5 log 3x. The application of the rule is not that difficult, it's basically remembering it. So if you have a power here, the power always comes down to a multiplier. Next one, fairly well known, log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. The last one, again, is a little bit tricky because it's not really that well used. Let's just say that this is true. Then it implies that if log base 3n is equal to 5, then n is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So we need to apply all three rules to make this question work. So let's have a look at this. Log base 3, x plus 1, equal to 1 plus 2, log base 3, x minus 1. So if you look at this, I can rearrange to give me something similar to rule 2, but before that even, I'm just going to apply rule 1 to this term here. If you look at that in the rectangle, if I apply rule 1, that straight away gives me the big number at the top becomes the power. The 2 is removed from the log. Now I rearrange. That becomes minus log to base 3, 2 is equal to 1. This bit here now, I can apply rule 2, which tells me that it's equal to log base 3, x plus 1 over x minus 1 squared. All that is equal to 1. I now apply rule 3, which tells me that in removing the log, it says it's the base to the power of 1, which of course is 3. We now have essentially this left. I multiply both sides by x minus 1 all squared. I have x plus 1 equal to 3 x minus 1 all squared. Expand. Simplify. Take x, take 1, both sides. Now I've proved that it does indeed equal to 3x squared minus 7x plus 2.